Okay, this is looking pretty good. You've got a few issues here. The first thing that catches my eye is this thing is looking lopsided. We have this thick edge here and this thin edge here and this very dense bevel with probably too many. I'm just going to select that, delete that. Probably with too many edges. And I don't know how this ended up. Yeah, and then you've got this extra kind of weird face coming off here. That is unusual. So something got goofed up with this. Um, I would probably just rebuild that. In this case, it's going to be tricky to fix. These guys could have this edge beveled. This one right here. Control B. Oh, interesting. Why did that disappear? Huh. Wonder if this one does the same. Oops. Oh, weird. Yeah, something's funny with those surfaces. Oh, that one's okay, I guess. Anyway, you could always just copy that across. Um, this one's okay, except you've got all these extra edges, so instead of beveling just the edges you needed, you beveled all of them. This, however, looks really messed up. And we could try to back out of it, like I could click on here, select that, and delete the bevel, and then so clearly something's messed up. I'm going to select this and delete that. Oh, that was that. Now, is it just that these, I'm just going to undo that, because maybe it's just that these faces on top are flipped over, or like reverse. So we could do a mesh display reverse. Maybe that's the whole problem. I'm just going to kind of grab a face and move it around. See? Yeah, there's other stuff going on in here. Something's not right. You can try taking this object and doing mesh cleanup options, and under the remove geometry section, check lamina faces, non-manifold geometry, edges with zero length, and faces with zero geometry area. Try to clean that up. But this is still messed up. There's like a whole extra set of surfaces here. So in this case, I would actually just rebuild it, because finding and deleting all those extra faces is going to be difficult. It might be one of these extrudes that went wrong. Like if we take that one out, maybe there's another one here, like maybe that one's not right. It might have been that one. And then let's do mesh display reverse again and see if that weirdness is still happening. It's not. It might have been. What can happen is if you just like select an object and say extrude and then don't change anything, that's where that kind of thing can happen. So Control E, pull that down, and just going to delete history. Grab these. It seems to be okay now, so I don't want that one, but I can take these edges and just the ones that need the bevel, not all of them. And just a fragment and segments. Oh, did I miss one? Oh yeah, I should have had this selected and I didn't. There we go. Something like that, and then anyway, you've got that one. Got the arms, legs. The feet look a little incomplete. So for one, I would make this fraction larger, kind of rounder in the front, and then you didn't do the top and just isolate this for the moment. The trick for that is if you select these top edges and then hold down Control to deselect it from the side, then you just have that top edge selected, Control B, and nice and big there, and more like that. So let's compare that to this one, and you can see that's a lot more. I also think it should be longer in front too, but it's a little bit better to do that before you bevel it. But you can just take all these points and kind of pull it like that. You don't want to scale it at this point because it kind of ruins that shape if you scale it. But it's fine to scale before you bevel it, but not so great to do afterwards. Yeah, okay, looking good though generally.